Hey goblins and ghouls, my name is Taylor Chu. If you haven't started decorating for Halloween yet, don't fret, you still have time. This Halloween tree ghost craft takes only 5 minutes and less than $5 to put together. Let me show you how. The supplies for the ghost decor are super affordable. I got the wire for about $2 from Michael's, and the tablecloth's only $1 at the Dollar Tree, though you could also use an old white sheet if you have one. My name is Taylor Chu. Thanks for checking out my ghost decor craft. I have lots of Halloween crafting and baking videos on my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon.